Academy online English classes, and that's me again. I'm really happy to practice English with all of you guys. Okay, now let's start. Before starting the lesson, let's review about the last one. Look at the circle. How many words can you find? Write it down and then check the answers. Today, we're going to continue with Unit 9, which is the fastest animal in the world, Lesson 2 and 3. These are about comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's get started. Look at these pictures. We have an elephant, a rabbit, and a mouse. Let's compare an elephant with a rabbit with a mouse, and a mouse with an elephant. We have an elephant is bigger than a rabbit. A rabbit is bigger than a mouse. A mouse is smaller than an elephant. Bigger and smaller are comparative adjectives. What are comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjective to compare two things or people. With the short adjective, it means that just one syllable adjective. We add er into it and then after it. Look at the picture. We have the boy and the girl. The girl is shorter than the boy. We add er into short and then after short. Let's take a look at structures of comparative adjectives. A tree star is faster than a mouse. A tree star. Subject number 1 is be faster than. Comparative adjective. A mouse. Subject number 2. The second example. An ocean is wider than a lake. An ocean. Subject number 1 is be wider than. Comparative adjective. A lake. Subject number 2. Very good, my student. That's the end of comparative adjective. Now we move on to superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to compare one thing to all others in the same group. With short adjective, we add est in it and the before it. Let's take a look at an example. Look at 3 pictures. We have a dog, a horse, and an elephant. The elephant is the tallest animal. The dog is the shortest animal. You can see that we add est in tall and the before tall. We add est in short and the before short. Let's take a look at structures of superlative adjectives. The cheese tart is the fastest animal. The cheese tart. subject is be. The fastest, superlative adjective. The Pacific Ocean is the widest ocean. The Pacific Ocean, subject is be. The widest, superlative adjective. Let's take more examples. Look at the pictures. We have Hùng, Trung, and Tuấn. Question number 1. Who's the tallest boy? Trung is the tallest boy. Question number 2. Who's the shortest boy? Hùng is the shortest boy. Now, let's take a look at the table. We have adjective, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Wide, wider, widest. Let's practice. What's the biggest fruit? Good job! A melon is the biggest fruit. What's the fastest transportation? Perfect! A plane is the fastest transportation. What's the tallest animal? Well done! A giraffe is the tallest animal. What's the smallest country? Excellent! Vietnam is the smallest country. What's a slowest animal? Excellent! A monkey is the slowest animal. Very good, my student, and that's the end of practicing. Now let's sing and do.
What's the biggest country? Do you know? Do you know? What's the highest mountain? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. What's the biggest ocean? Do you know? Do you know? What's the smallest country? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is.
Now it's your job. Remember to do homework. Do your workbook page 61 and 62. Make 3 examples about comparative adjectives and 3 examples about superlative adjectives. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!